Especially, it's unique. You know, you go here in the island of Boracay, and you see mostly international cuisine. Foreigners come over here to the Philippines because we just want to showcase our own. They want to go here to try our culture, our food, everything about the island. So we try our best to show it.
Operation hours.
Oh yeah, we're open. We're open every day. So we open at 9, we close at 12. And then the bar closes at 2 o'clock. So people who want to get drunk and get on this jeep and just have a drink, we'll have our special cocktails coming. So we'll have like our Virgin Chaser, like here, the Boss Special, or Crazy Things on the
Boss
Beach.
Special.
Yeah.
So,
So,
anong alcohol?
so basically, it has lambanog in it. Tapos may calamansi, konting hint ng salabat. Pero kakaiba, we just want to showcase talaga Filipino style na cocktails rin.
Are you going to cater special occasions?
No, we're really all about Filipino fast food. Nice, quick. Jeprox lang, hindi tayo yung fancy-fancy, you know. Ano lang talaga tayo, nice, simple, but elegant in a way.
For new menus and promos, where can they find it? They have social media where they
Oh
can
yeah,
check
you
or
could just follow us. We're at hashtag Jeepney Stop Boracay, and we're here located at the mall, in the Rotonda of the mall. So come find us here. You'll just find a jeep. Tas our lights are turned on. You won't miss it. Jeepney Stop.
Oh my